Good morning, YouTube. What's up, y'all? I hope y'all having a great day. Right now, we're gonna solve near 100, which is a Python problem. Um, so let's get into it. Given an int n, when it says given an int n is a parameter. So you can see it right here. And then it says return true. So we know we're gonna take an int, which belongs to the variable n, the parameter passed in. And we're going to return a boolean, true or false. Alright, so now we're going to return true if it is within 10 of 100 or 200. No abs num computes the absolute value of a number. Okay, within 10, I think that means less than or equal to or greater than or equal to. So basically anything like 90 to 110, right? That is within 10 of 100. Another thing that's within 10 of 200 is 190 and 210, right? So just looking at the problem, we want that number to be, well, I guess you could say that number minus 100, right? So we can just write this down. That number minus 100 is the absolute value of that. So like absolute difference, if that is less than or equal to 10, 10, right? Now, the reason why we have this equal to is I believe within is inclusive of something that's less than 10 and greater than 10, that's inclusive. So that's why we have this equal. So you have this less than sign and equal sign saying less than or equal to. And then we could have another condition that's within 10 of 200, right? So that's pretty much the same thing, right? Or that, but then this is 200, right? And here we can return true, else, return false, right? So let's test example cases. Is 93 passing this condition? It should. 93 minus 100 is negative 7. The absolute value of that is positive 7, and that's less than or equal to 10. So this whole thing is true, right? Because that's an or statement. So if one condition passes, then the whole thing passes. And so it should return true. And indeed, we have true here. 90 would do something similar. It would return true because 10 is less than or equal to 10. Eventually, we'll evaluate that. 89 will get 11 is less than or equal to 10, or 11 is less than or equal to like 110 or something like that. You know, we'll get something pretty crazy. I think it's 111. Anyways, actually, no. Okay, yeah. I think it's 111 is less than or equal to 10, or 11 is less than or equal to 10, and both of them are false. So we don't do this. We return what happens in the else, and that is false. So hopefully this should work. Awesome. Another thing, just really fast, you just say return, right? If that statement is true, or return true, else or return false. Oh, invalid syntax. Yeah, that's because we don't need this colon. And bada bing, bada boom. Done.